have seen come across some very shocking statements of the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Mr. Ramesh Tawadkar. Ramesh Tawadkar has spoken primarily on three major issues. One, about the cabinet ministers not respecting the Speaker, who is a constitutional authority. Secondly, the performance of the minister. The Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, who also is a BJP MLA, have criticized the performance of the ministers. He has clearly said that the minister, including the chief minister, are behaving as if the ministers who are functioning for their own, not for the people or the general public, which is very shocking. And I don't understand how BJP is going to go to the people during the next 27 election when your own MLA, when your own speaker, who is one of the highest constitutional authority in the state, has given a report card of failure to the BJP government. Thirdly, he has spoken about the defectors, the ones who are defecting and the ones who are accepting the defectors. I think this is an eye-opener for everyone in politics. When you get elected on one particular ticket of one particular party and you switch over to some other political party, the speaker, although he has protected them by not disqualifying the defectors, he has clearly said that there has to be some limitations. In looking overall summary of his remarks, we strongly demand that the Speaker Ramesh Tawadkar should resign from his position, as he has failed to uphold the democracy. He himself has accepted that his government has failed, and he himself is made statement that his ministers are not respecting him, or else he should ensure that the chief minister who is heading this government, which is a government of failure as per the Ramesh Tawadkar, should immediately resign.